Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust carpet cleaning settings on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. You can adjust how the robot behaves on the carpets. The carpets are automatically detected, and then you can go to settings in the top right corner, carpet cleaning settings, and you can either set it to vacuum only, which means it will go on the carpet, but it'll lift the mop pads because it has an ability to do it, and then it'll just vacuum without wetting the carpet, which is in most cases the best option to choose. You can select also some additional settings like vacuum carpets first, so it will first do it and later it will start mopping the floors besides the carpets. You could also enable carpet boost, which will increase the suction power on the carpet. Deep carpet cleaning, which will perform a cross touch cleaning on carpets for enhanced cleaning results. You can also enable lowering side brush, which is great for high pile, for like short pile or middle pile carpets. It will basically lower the side brush to like get in between the pile a bit more. Then you can also enable avoid cleaning wires and debris along carpet borders, which improves the wire detection along carpet borders. And then the next thing is you can either set it to avoid carpet, so it will go around a carpet, or cross carpet, so it will go over the carpet but it won't vacuum nor mop. And the difference between avoid and cross is sometimes if it's set to avoid, it will block some entrances, some pathways to other rooms or other parts of your apartment. So if that happens, then it's better to set it to cross, but if not, then you can set it to avoid if you don't want it to like do anything with the carpets. And then there's also vacuum and mop, which is suitable for places without a carpet, or with only rubber mats that can be mopped. Yeah, but otherwise I would set it to, personally I'd set it to vacuum only. Unless it gets stuck on the carpet, in that case then I would set it to avoid or cross. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.